suitable for routine processing. Quantum computing. Calculate with qubits which can present both 0 and 1.
Which exhibit strange properties like number 1 superposition, where a particle can exist in two states at once, and number 2 entanglement, where connected particles affect each other instantly no matter the distance. We are now living in the quantum age, a time period where discoveries in
abstract, these discoveries are now the basis of a technological revolution. Quantum technology, just as the 20th century was shaped by electronics and digital computing, the 21st century is moving toward the quantum age. The quantum age refers to the era where quantum mechanics reshaped industries, economies, and society. This is not
The next big revolution will come from quantum technology. This is why we say the quantum age has begun.
Information age started with computers, and we are now entering a new era called the quantum age. This new era promised advance in computing, communications, medicines, materials.
Unprecedented forward. This shift promises to redefine computing, sensing, and communication, but it also brings profound challenges, especially to global security and our existing digital infrastructure. An exciting time, a time when science is moving beyond the things we can see and touch. It was strange and fascinating world called the quantum world. In the quantum age, tiny
the significant hurdles that lie ahead. Decoding quantum point bits or bytes, unlike classical computing, which relies on bits representing 0 and 1. Quantum computing uses qubits. They are not just 0 and 1, they can both simultaneously through a phenomena called superposition.
To address the scientific, technical, economic, and ethical challenges, balancing innovation with responsibility is key to ensure that this powerful new era benefits humanity safely and equitably. Thanks. Quantum nested encryption methods. Conclusion. And ultra-secure communications and significant challenges. Communications and significant challenges include extreme technical shortage and ethical concerns surrounding misuse concerns, cybersecurity and surveillance. Realizing the benefits require overcoming technical hurdles like requires and error corrections, along with sustaining global cooperation. Responsible innovations